Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. So today we will have our shoe ventures. So we were going to buy shoes for our boys. And this is the second mall we went through. So we're here today in Ayala Mall, Philippines. So magpa-park muna tayo guys. And before that, I'll show you some of the highlights sa previous mall na pinuntahan namin. So, we've been here sa Santa Lucia Mall. So, ganda ng CR. As you can see, ganda ng CR nila here sa 4th floor dito sa my amusement park. And, as you can see, nasa loob siya. And, ang ganda lang ng itsura. So, after namin, mag-CR muna, then, dito kami sa amusement park. Before we will look for the shoes na gusto ng mga boys, no? So, meron silang hinahanap ng mga shoes na gusto nila. And we'll try to look here. So, ayan, naghahanap pa rin sila ng shoes. So, marami na kami mga napuntahan. And in search sila ng shoes. So, here, we are now at Ayala Mall, Philippines. And we're trying to look na ulit sa mga shoes na gusto nila. And nakita nga namin sila Stitch, Garfield, and King Kong dito. So, konti pa lang yung tao niyan. And ang daming mga batang gustong magpa-picture. Sila King Kong. So, nandito sila sa Ayala Mall. Sila Stitch and Garfield. Dahil tanghali na nga at past 12 na, so we're hungry. So, mangan kami pa. Kenny, Keng, Kabalen, let's eat, mangan tamu. So, ini nga pili da. So, after ming may kabsi, may manto na kami na naman. So, we look again for the shoe. So, during this time, nakabila si Bunso, no, ng kanyang shoe. So, nakabila si Bunso ng kanyang Kobe X-ray shoes. And naghahanap pa ulit kami for So, after 48 years, nakapili na rin siya ng shoes na gusto niya. And, mag-fitting na lang siya. And, kung bibili namin, let's see. So, ayan, finally, nakapag-decide na siya. And syempre, hindi rin tayo papahuli. Bumili tayo ng ating Converse shoes. So, para sa akin naman yan. So, ayan, tapos na natin bayaran and uuwi na tayo. So, ayan, palabas na tayo ng Ayala Feliz parking. So, thank you so much for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!